Welcome to the land of the dead. So
Welcome.
here we teach you how not to trade, and we also try and make you profitable in the long term. Okay. Anyways, Rob, do you have anything to say?
Yeah, me and my infinite, I'd like to say wisdom, but it's more of stupidity. I missed out on all the good trades yesterday. So, I'm having a look at my trading rules and my trading strategy. Um, Deep pullbacks is where I'm at. I did get entered into all my trades or got entered into about half my trades from yesterday. But all of them were the cuck ones. So, not happy about that. All the good ones were less deeper pullbacks, um, like as you see with AJ right here. Anyway, that's where I stand with
Yes,
all the.
boys. Also, Rob. So let's just, whenever you want to show something on your screen, just pin or unpin your screen.
Ah,
Right,
got
so
you.
unpin it quickly.
Um, yes, let me do that. Whoop, got you.
Okay, no, okay, I can only do it on my side then.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just pin. Okay, yeah, I just want to quickly go and run through my trades through yesterday, and then you do the same. Okay.
Seek.
Okay, boys. So let's look at the GJ, right? So I said I had three trades to take yesterday. You only saw me taking two trades. And then I told you my trading strat allows me to take another trade. And so we did, right? So let me explain this trade to you. So I took a buy on GPB, JPY here at 184,157 with a stop loss at 184,021. Right. So what actually happened here, right? So me and Robert looked at Euro JPY buys yesterday, and GPP, JPY, and Euro JPY usually run in the same way in regards to volatility and structure. Right? Not always, but um, most often than not. Okay. So you might see quite a few lines here, and it might look confusing and ugly, but they all have a purpose. I promise you, because they all represent resistance or support to the left, right? And it was quite choppy, and this is why I was hesitant on entering. But then again, I also didn't risk a full position, but this trade was enough to put me in profit for yesterday. As you remember, we were break even on Nasdaq. Okay, and I will actually show you what Nasdaq did. It's very sad. Okay, so I entered this based on the 15 minutes, so these lines were moved up, right? So this was what I was looking at yesterday. So it was here, and this line was moved down here, right? So I looked at this yesterday. If we go on the 5 minute, if we go on the 5 minute, I entered just as this candle was closing, right? Yeah, so I actually entered here, right? So this candle closed bullish, and then this 5 minute candle came down. I entered, and then we pulled back up. TP was here at this hourly or 4 hour resistance, and then we hit that full TP. Was very nice. Again, very risky trade. We had very choppy resistance to the left, so I wouldn't really recommend this trade, but I just said, nah, it's fine. I'll just take the trade. I was on 0.5% drawdown for the day. This trade put me in profit for the day. Okay, yeah, that's about it. And then I, I should have, again, I always feel like I need to put the trades at break even and then just keep partials. But then it can always just do what Nasdaq did yesterday, right? So I didn't take partials. I put everything at break even for the expectation that it could run down. But then I'll show you what Nasdaq did, right? So that's why I'm just taking the TP. My trading rules tell me blue is better than red. Again, you can get slippage on some brokerage accounts, and when it hits your stop loss, it actually takes you out for a loss, right? In regards to swaps. So, okay, so I'm just gonna remove all these unnecessary lines, then just maybe keep this one, the main support, which I used to enter, right? You can see GJ is yoinking, it's in a range right now, but we might get some movement as soon as London session opens. And I'm just taking away that red ribbon. Gold, you saw yesterday, stopped me out. Nothing to really see here. it did come back down again, but never to that TP zone. And I'm not sure why it didn't come down to full this support here, right? But it obviously had some resistance here and came back down again. Quite a sad story. I was right in regards to direction, but not entry, right? Again, did I follow my trading rules when entering this trade? No. I usually trade breakouts. This was not a breakout, this was just simple resistance. So in that regards, I did not follow my trading rules, and then I got messed up. Robert is laughing because he know I didn't follow my trading rules.
Yep.
Okay, and then Nasdaq. Oh, what a beauty! So I actually took two trades on Nasdaq. Okay, well, now I'm lying. I didn't take two trades on yesterday. On Nasdaq yesterday, but I was feeling like I should. Right. Anyways, I'm getting very used to Nasdaq at this point. Okay, so right, guys, you saw me taking this trade yesterday. If you look at the previous video, we had this breakout of the trend line here. We had the break of this high. Then price started making a very bullish push, and then I actually entered here on the 1 minute. I saw as soon as I saw some nice volatility in this bullish run, so I entered about here. It was an impulse entry because we had a breakout of structure, and then price actually, and then at this point I put everything at break even. Price came up until this 16705 level, and then came all the way down, hit the support, and I was actually expecting it to hit the support, and just made a massive bullish run until this zone. Then, because my trading rules tell me I can't trade after 5 in the afternoon, I saw this trade right here. Didn't really enter this because I don't like to enter the same pair twice on a day. And I didn't enter this trade, but this would have been a beautiful, beautiful trade, right? But yeah, I never entered that. Okay, so now we can remove all this. And then we can move on. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it, guys. I was just above break even for yesterday, small profit. But yeah, blue is better than red. Okay, Rob, you can hit with yours.
Um. Well, on my side, I ended up in the red yesterday. Full honesty. Um. A little bummed about it because my biases a lot of the time were correct. I just got stopped out before everything went in my favor. So I'm gonna have a look at my entries and sort of adjust my entry strategy a little bit. Yeah. So here's Aussie JPY. Didn't get triggered. I think I was waiting for a deeper pullback, but obviously it just bounced off of this resistance, or not even really even. But I mean, yeah, this sort of zone, I support resistance, whatever the fuck you want to call it. That line, yeah, choma.
Meh.
Okay, second of all, Aussie, New Zealand dollar. I got stopped out here because of spreads. As you can see, my actual position that I set here is like 2 pips or 3 pips away from being stopped out, which would have been nice if I hadn't. But yeah, you know, you can't control the markets, you can only control your trades. Uh,
Well said.
Eurocad, Eurocad. I think I removed my position here because I was already pissed off. Got stopped, stopped out. I think my entry was here for a sell, and then obviously we went to the recent highs, and it looks like we are still playing around at the recent highs. Going down to Euro JPY, I had a brilliant trade. This is my singular profit trade for the day. Again, got triggered, nearly stopped out. So my entry was more or less there. Nearly got stopped out. Made my profit. Obviously, it was in a run. Didn't manage to catch the whole run, but I stuck to my trading plan, so I'm happy with that. Um, where do we head now? GBP USD was my other trade. As we can all see, that one was just super shit. you know, win some, you lose a lot. CAD JPY would have been awesome if I'd actually triggered entry. Yeah, not a deep enough pullback for my entry to be triggered. again, looking at entries, USD ZAR, big sad, big sad. Uh, UJ again would have been nice if I triggered entry, and that is me for the day, boys. Um, and girls. But yeah, so that's kind
Okay.
of where I start. My whole strategy is just to remove absolutely everything, start analysis from scratch, um, and try and take the lessons that we learned from yesterday. So, can't be hung up on trades. That's not how, can't be hung up on anything in life. Be inspirational,
Yeah, man,
bro.
there's always shit to learn in the markets. Like, I don't care if you've been trading for 20 years or for 5 years, there's always something to learn. Like,
And there's
markets are
always
always
something.
changing constantly. You can't tell me you know everything and then that you expect everything. Um, yeah, it's
Unless you have a
impossible.
consistent 100% win rate for an entire year, you don't know jack shit.
Yeah, exactly. But,
Uh,
anyways, we can most highly likely start with analysis. I'm going to pin both of our.
We're gonna have to get ourselves some
Oh, I can
premium
apply visual
trading view again.
effects on my camera. Oh, this is gonna be
Yo,
juicy.
some visual effects. Give us some fireworks. Okay.
I'll make myself in the sea. What should I be today, guys? I feel like I should be not in the spaceship. I'm not gonna make myself a character. We're not that far advanced yet.
Uh,
But I want to be in space today.
I was just
Okay,
clicking on the robot.
looking at the robot. Okay,
Yeah.
it's rendering. Uh, before we trade, mense, boys, girls, we need to check news releases for today.
That is true.
Oh my
I'm a
word.
robot.
Oh,
I fucking love this. This is gonna be my new trading persona, bro. I like it.
yo, we have massive news coming out today. So we have core inflation rates, CPI, initial jobless claims. It's all at US Open.
So what, 7 hours?
We just have a lot of different news coming out at 3:30. So it would be best to just keep out of the markets by then because you have inflation rates, you have CPI, and then you have jobless claims. And then, yes, CPI might have the biggest impact, but the other news releases or factors will also have an impact. So then CPI might yoink it in one direction, and then traders or big institutions realize that, oh no, jobless claims might be important. Or some shit like that, and then just yoink the market in a different direction. So it's just best to stay out when you have multiple big news releases like that. It's going to manipulate the hell out of the market. You're going to have slippage in a lot of brokers. Spreads are going to go to hell. So yeah, just keep out of the markets by then. Or at least have your position at break even or put in a very small position. You can trade the news. It's very risky. You can put in sell stops or buy stops. Again, you have slippage, it might trigger your stop or limit, and then just completely obliterate in the other direction. Oh,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, let's go, Camilton. We do some analysis.
Yes, I am on my way. See, I knew this GBP USD potential buy I wanted to take yesterday was going to be a flop. It was just too choppy. But you entered, didn't you?
What, GJ?
Now on GU.
No, I entered 2 days ago on GU.
Okay. Okay.
Ooh,
might be an opportunity coming in. This was likely going to be impulse buy. I actually want to stay out of the USD pairs today, but I mean, if we take the trade early enough, like for example now, and we can move it to break even, or it stops us out. I mean, at least we then risk free from the news, right? Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
looking for GBP USD right here. So then, if you are new to trading, I'm expecting a pullback to here. Again, we have that 50 moving average, right? Which will provide us with extra confluence. And then, so this 50 moving average here. Then, if price can meet that 50 moving average here with support, and then we just can pull the. Once we reach this resistance zone here, I'll most highly likely put my stops from here to break even, and then we'll just move up to this TP, and then maybe take partials and look for more upside, or we just take the full position out. Okay, so that's one trade I'm looking for. Also, just make sure higher time frames are looking good. Yeah, I actually forgot to check the higher time frame just now. Yeah, daily looks bullish. Happy with that. We might it already made the week down, but on the smaller time frames, let's see what the 4 hour is doing. We might get that pullback, but we have this 4 hour support right here, which it might just not retrace that deep. But we'll see what happens. If it doesn't retrace, that's fine. Or we might just take this. This is like 100 micropips. I'm not gonna take this trade if it runs through this area. Anyways, let's move on. Okay, Euro USD, exact same thing to be honest. Also looking quite bullish. We can see 4 hour already made a wick down into this area, starting to pull up. I mean, I would like a pullback into the zone again, right? And then aim for this. Sorry, aim for this right here, STP. But again, I don't really see that happening right now because we are forming the small
Mm.
type of small support here. Maybe, I mean, if I would really risk it right now, I would enter like this. So TP at the same place, stop loss would be way down here, right? And so as price comes down, we put in buy limits, triggers those buy limits, and then we use the same stop loss as this position here, possible position, or we keep this. But again, I'm not willing to take that risk. We have news releases. This might take too long to play out, so we'll just wait for it to come to us. Never chase the market. Never chase no hoe.
Valid points, eh?
Yes.
S- Says the
Never.
one in a healthy relationship.
Yes, like you listen. The market's like a woman, right? Must not chase. Must let it
Look at
come to you.
how, look at you being controversial, buddy. I
Put
make no comments. I'm
Robert is
okay,
misogynistic.
pursuing a, yeah, I'm gonna be pursuing a political career, so I'd like for these.
What political career?
I just don't want the government to fuck us over anymore, bro.
Lol. Actually,
Go violent. Ooh, I quite like
oh,
that.
so Euro JPY is
I am a
reacting.
fan. I am a
We
fan.
have that.
That's me being a fucking idiot, though.
Dude, Beethoven is slapping at this point.
Oof.
Mm. So
Do you
Euro
listen to Tchaikovsky
JPY.
at all?
Hey,
Do you listen to Tchaikovsky at all?
No.
Okay, I have a phone call apparently. Give me two
Yeah, take
seconds.
it.
I'm
It's
gonna
fine.
mute myself. Mute myself.
So, you know, JPY, what could happen here is, boys, okay. So, what could happen here is we can either come to this zone right here,
Bruh.
get a rejection.
Spam calls suck ass.
Oh, dude, I literally got a call yesterday and it said scam in the Truecaller ID. What? Yeah, it's weird. So again, yeah, so we might get into this support here or the support here, but either way, I think price will come down from the zone until here or here, and then move up to this resistance idea because we are in some sort of bullish push. We also need to remember we have some resistance here, but as we can look at this previous daily candle, this was one hell of a bullish run. We came above this 50 SM, 50 moving average here, simple moving average, and so we most highly likely will get a continuation of this bullish run. All right. So we can either now wait for price to come back to this zone where we want to buy, wait for a nice rejection, or we can possibly trade the retracement, right? So we can either place a trade in here. So what we could do is we can wait for price to hit the small support here, bounce back maybe to this resistance here, and then we take our TP there, or we can just straight enter right now, right? Um, Again, that's not highly likely right now because I just want to follow my trading rules. I want to trade a breakout and then a possible rejection, and this is not that situation. We also have the 50 moving average coming up here on the 30-minute, which might provide some extra confluence for people that are buying, right, for the bulls. So I will not be looking at this right now, but I will be considering a buy once price comes between these zones right here for the upside to this level here at 160294. Here I the I'm not gonna even waste my time and energy on this. It's just ugly.
I would
It's
love
like that one cousin you don't like.
to. Yeah, tell us your family drama, bro.
Hey,
Tell us your family drama.
oh, I have one ugly cousin. No one likes that cousin. So
Is
we
it
used to make him sleep in a bush, but now he likes crawling into people's bed at night. Right? It's quite creepy. So now we've learned that if you spray him with doom, he'll just run away. So that's the strat we have been taking.
surely
Obviously,
that's
covering risk.
no good risk covering.
Yes. You have any family drama?
Come to Paul for advice.
I will solve all problem. Make financial gain. Find lost lover. Grow PP.
Yeah, we do rituals for any of you spiritual people here. They
Yes.
mainly breakup rituals and how to get your partner to not find out you're cheating rituals. So send us some money, send us some of your hair, send us some of your partner's hair, sorted like a tortoise. We got you, bro.
Sorted. Oei, oei, oei. Yo, this guy JPY by here, bro. Never came down, eh? But that would have been beautiful. Damn. We're just reacting at this resistance right now. This would also be nice. Um, what was that
It was
sound?
a message because I can't manage to mute WhatsApp on my laptop because
Oh,
I'm so I'm also going back a little bit to my old trading my old trading strategy, which is if I see something in the first 10 seconds of when I look at a chart, I go with it. If
That
I
is
then
the
go into
best.
if I go into smaller time frames and start not seeing things, I just lost that trade then. So I started with 9. I'm now at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, started with 11-ish or 12-ish. We're cutting down. Don't worry.
Are you confusion?
Yeah, I'm confusion a little bit. So, do I really want to take a GU trade?
Sorry, man. GJ is interesting to me right now. I'm expecting a bit of a pullback from this resistance, but we have a lot of choppy support. Hmm. Oh well, we'll highly likely look for sales once it breaks out of this, not the wedge, this channel. So I'll just maybe mark that. Anyways, where were we? We were at CHF, JPY.
Yeah.
Just want to check something.
Eating my yogurt. One thing that I found really cool about growing up is how cheap yogurt is, dude. I can get those little yogurts. My gosh, value for money, bro.
Oh, the small 6 cup yogurts.
Yeah, those. Oh,
Oh, that
absolutely.
used to slap, eh?
They still do.
I miss those big tubs with the chocolate chip ice cream. Ach, chocolate chip yogurt. Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
dude,
Oh, dude. Those are the bangers of the world.
dude, that was banging.
Banging. Okay.
Have you seen that British dude eating, like swallowing shit whole?
Dirk showed me that
Dude, it
literally.
irritates me so much. It just irritates me. His whole being, his whole personality, his existence. He should be
I
eradicated from this earth. Hate from South Africa.
wow. No, dude, that kind of yeah, it's
I need
unsettled me.
I need to get a new broker view on gold because this is just too damn choppy. Alright, so let's go with commodity COD. Go like
Mm.
look how choppy these candles are. It just does not look right. And you can usually see this on the 5 minute, right? Okay.
How did you want to take this?
See how
Yeah.
choppy and weird this looks. But it's difficult to predict market direction when it looks like this. So I'm thinking we'll just use Ohanda. It's just much cleaner.
Mm. Valid, valid, valid.
There's like a what's happening here? There's like a oh yeah, obviously we are trading something different here. See else what else we can get. XAU, USD, gold, commodity
Yeah.
CFD. No, I'll just keep Propaganda and I'll just remove this choppy, ugh, ugly chart. Put in some resistance. Nice, we're cooking now. Resistance, right? Let's go to the 4 hour daily. Okay, we have some support here, which we are respecting. Oh, this is so much cleaner. Oh, we have some resistance here as well. Alright, let's put that line there. If we get a like a bullish run, remember I'm just like marking support and resistance for future references, because let's say we get our volatile news today, gold just might yoink up like nothing's, like no one's business, right? So we'll just make provision for that, so we can predict where it might bounce. Right, we are in a bit of a range here on gold right now. Again, this does not interest me at this point. It's just ugly, ugly, ugly. Again, like that one cousin no one likes. Silver, the exact same. I'm just gonna remove this insignificant support, which price is just completely violating, just running through it. Okay, I know this looks bad, all these lines on NAS, but remember I trade on a 5 minute and 1 minute, so it will look like this. I'm just
Yuck.
removing some of this stuff here right now.
5 minute and 1 minute.
Yep. Yeah, it's volatile enough, so it's very nice. Very nice.
Mm. Okay, London session opens in about 14 minutes.
Yeah, we have no news for London session.
Yeah, but still, London traders are going to be
They're
sucking
gonna
themselves up.
start rocking up here, messing about.
Our trades.
Yeah, I don't really see anything at this point.
True. Biltong is life, bro.
No, Shrek is life. Shrek is love.
I think it's the other way around, buddy. At
Shrek
least
is
last time
love.
I saw
Shrek is
him, that's
life.
what he said.
I'm not sure.
There we go. That's what he said last time I saw him. Okay. We're narrowing down more.
Hmm. Might get a. I mean, it's unfortunate that we have to pull back like this on the small time frames, because volatility is not where it's supposed to be.
Mm. Mm.
Yeah. Okay.
Where do we stand here, buddy? What are we actually hoping for? Just the middle over here?
Flick you with the sticky, huh?
No, fuck it. We're gonna be balls to the wall out here.
So many chop chop. So many chop chop. Yeah, I'm not seeing jack shit, to be honest. We'll just give it maybe another hour and then we'll see what happens. But at this point, I don't see anything.
You got no setups?
Nope.
Damn, bro, that's sad.
I mean, I can
I have a
force a
few that I'm
setup, but I don't
quite
want to
happy
force
with,
a setup.
actually.
Hi.
I have a few that I'm quite happy with, actually.
Yeah, talking about that, what do you have? What do you see?
Okay, let me just go over my last one. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Okay. So again on the pullbacks, bullshittery. Um, I just did the whole 4 hour, 1 hour, and now 15 minutes, and then it started with like 12 in the 4 hour. Then I was looking at one, two, three, four, five, six, five realistically that I'm looking at now. So I've narrowed it down. Um, yeah, basically Aussie JPY. If we look on the 4 hour, looks fairly bullish, making new highs. I'm expecting it to sort of reach this recent high, um, probably higher, but like that's going to be a conservative trade for me. I think maybe just remove take profits and move stops to whatever. On the 1 hour, looks like it's probably going to come back. Maybe do a retest over here, this level, this level. I might move this down just a few pips. That's actually not a great risk to reward. I might remove this one as well, to be honest.
Yeah, but if you're doubting or
Nah,
not,
I doubted, and I immediately just removed it. So we good.
yes.
Okay. Aussie New Zealand dollar does look quite schmexy in my opinion, though. Um, so waiting for it to sort of retest this level. It's a support based resistance, whatever. Support turned resistance. I think she's gonna come down a little bit. Try and give myself a little bit of breathing room beyond these lows or this recent low. So yeah, that's my idea on that. Automated entry as usual. Euro CAD, pretty much the same thing. Kind of waiting for it to pull down here. I think move my stop a little further down. Deep pullback lifestyle. Yeah.
Yes,
Um, yeah, we'll see. So this is 1 hour. Let's actually go down to 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes. I'd say probably entry around there. Stop loss a little further down. Yeah, that's a decent enough risk to reward for me. I'm happy with that. DVP AUD is basically confluence to my Aussie trades, which are buys. This is going to be a sell based off of that, waiting for it to sort of tip that and then go down. GBP NZD. I don't know why. I'm waiting for the sell to down here, and then we'll hit that retracement or hit that level before we hit a buy. The idea is to aim for where we're aiming for. Aim for sort of recent highs from like 14th of December onwards, 15th December. That is a very wishful trade. I might sort of rein it in a little bit.
okay.
Um, yeah, and then I looked at USD JPY as we were saying. Lots of news to do things, but yeah, this one seems like a short enough trade to take in the meantime. Not too not too difficult. Yeah, those are all the ones that I'm looking at. It's one, two, three, four, five of them. I'm gonna start
Okay.
placing my automated entries, and in the next little while, I'm kind of just waiting to see how things start looking a little bit closer to the London session.
Cool,
Yeah,
man. Yeah, let's see what London session brings. I'm currently looking at for possible NAS buy, but it does not seem like that's gonna happen.
yeah,
I mean, I can always just take an impulse trade when it breaks out of that resistance, but I mean, my spreads are just too damn big for me to even consider that. So
yeah.
what's pulling
Maybe we
back?
should start looking at the brokers that are more commission based than spread based.
Yeah. The reason for
Actually,
entering this trade is we have the support price has been rejecting. We have 50 SMA coming up here. Still needs to fill this area right here because we have resistance to the left. Right. It's the same concept as yesterday. There is room for movement. Right. It's like a magnet pulling it up. I call it the magnet strategy. Right. Not chasing that hole, but let the hole come to you. Which Nasdaq is hopefully doing. Hopefully it fills us. I am going to buy once it hits that area on
well,
trading view. on my empty
It's
five.
not chasing the hoe, it's believing that she has a magnet and is attracting you.
Yes, yes. Ah. Okay, so yeah, we will enter again. I'm probably gonna risk like 0.25%. Nothing too hectic. It is quite a risky trade. Yeah. To be
Sweet.
honest, I am. This is not part of my trading strategy. Um, like I said, I trade breakouts and rejections. Breakouts, and then a rejection of that resistance or support after candle closure. But I am trying to get proficient in scalping Nasdaq, right? I'm getting a bit more confident, so I'm learning how to get used to losses and wins on Nasdaq, as well as market moves, volatility, structure, price movement, and so forth, sentiment, and all those things. So I am willing to risk it to learn. So even if I lose,
Valid, valid, valid.
actually, I'm still not that proficient in calculating the risk on this shit. So I'm telling you I will risk 0.25%, but I'm actually not sure. Dude, I
Fair
just
enough.
farted and that shit stinks. Oh,
Yeah, it's the problem with eating so much protein.
sure, but
I too am aware of this.
it kills
Like,
you.
I'm just gonna go wash my apple.
In warm water, I.
Yeah. Okay. Let me have a look here. A little look see. No, that looks cock. This no, it looks quite schmexy. Actually,
Trying to calculate.
it's a lot easier on the standard account.
Hmm. I think it's. Oh,
Wait, are you on a micro account or a standard account?
standard. No, this is the funded one. This is on my. This is a standard. This is standard.
So what you do is you take your amount that you're willing to risk, divide it by the pips of the stop loss, and then divide that by 10. And that'll give you a lot size.
I'm using a calculator, but it's useless.
Okay, so for example, you're on a 5K account there, on Aussie New Zealand dollar, looking to risk 1%, that's $50. So 50 divided by the 15.1 plus the spread, which is usually, I think, on Aussie pairs like 10. So you make it 25 divided by 25. That gives you 2 divided by 10. And then that gives you 0.2. That would be your lot size for the amount that you'd be willing to risk, plus minus. It usually gives you a bit of an underestimation on the lot size, so you're actually risking less, but that kind of works in my favor usually. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we are full.
Yeah. Yes, I'm gonna start doing some juice.
We are full, ladies and gentlemen. We are full. So stop loss is gonna be about there. Yeah, okay. I'm not risking enough because it's quite a tight stop loss. Just need to make provision for these spreads. Okay, we are getting a rejection. Okay, I am in Nasdaq buys. You can see Robert's face. He is clearly excited for this position. We might get stopped out. Who cares? I am risking about 0.5% at this point. Nothing too major. Again, like I said, I'm trying to get used to the market structure and the way price moves on Nasdaq. Okay, okay, we're getting a push up. Let's see, let's see, let's see. As soon as we reach that resistance at the top, we are moving all positions to break even. If it can close above that 50 SMA, it would be very nice. Again, we have the London session opening in a few minutes. Price can come back down a bit to my original positions. I might just add more. I don't think I'm risking 0.5. I think I'm risking like 0.3% at this point. Not a lot. Let's see what she can do. Okay, okay, we are moving. We are moving. Did you hear me opening my positions?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now I'm just wondering why people think I might be faking it. Okay. Okay, now as soon as price breaks above that resistance, then I'll move to break even. But other than that, I'll keep the risk. Once it closes, that 1 minute or 5 minute candle above that resistance, then I will consider moving to break even. But for now,
Am I
I
being an
am
idiot?
chill. I'm a chill biscuit. The 5 minute
I feel
candle
like,
is reacting very nicely. It might come back down.
oh,
What?
I'm already triggered.
In what?
Well, GBP AUD and Euro CAD.
So VP AUD, is that a sell or buy?
So,
Sell. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm also bearish on the pound. Okay. GU is coming back down. Like we said, we wanted to enter here. Just gonna remove
yeah.
this. So let's see what she can do. She can make her way down. Euro USD is at that level I wanted to buy. So now what we'll do is, well, that's quite a rejection on the 4 hour, eh? So I might just be, let's see how Nasdaq plays out, but I might not take this one. We'll see how
Yeah,
it
let's
rejects
be
on the 50 minute. Just gonna wait for a bullish
let's
engulf.
be ballsy.
Exactly why. Again, don't use trend lines. I'm not using it. I'm just checking. Okay, it was a glitch on my trading view. It was not me drawing that. It's the AI bot I'm using. Okay. It's gonna come back down, I see. Do we have 4 positions running?
Okay,
Yeah, it's very.
I've set all my positions.
Sorry, that was just a misclick. Don't stress.
Margin call. Margin call.
No margin. No margin. Dun dun dun. Bro, I'm risking like $12, right, on Nasdaq at this point, right? And I can't add another position. Are you seriously
Yep.
kidding me? Like, listen to this. I want to add 0.03. Just click. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are still 4 positions. Okay, I'm gonna click again. What? Let's try 0.02. Listen, guys, I am not margin calling this account. I am risking only $12. I have my MT4 open here. You can clearly see what I'm risking. Let's try 0.02. Oh, there goes 0.02. Why not 0.03? That makes no sense. Do you believe in love after love? I can say the words that you want to hear. Can't get strong enough. Do you believe in love after love? Okay, okay. We run. 16846 was stop losses at. Okay. I guess we'll just wait for that shit to play out.
God.
What are you doing?
I'm just looking. Wee.
Naz is playing around, man. Just break the structure. Break the structure. Break the structure. Break. Guys, if you're watching the stream, blow. Robert, blow. Blow it, Robert. Come on, man. Just close above that level. Just go, come. Come on. Go past that level. Please just close above that level. Ugh. Man. Talk about the range.
Yep. That's a real range there, buddy.
Yeah, yeah. But I believe there's upside. But I'm so close to TP. Just go. Did you hear Oscar Pretorius is out here in the streets again?
Easy.
Close your bathroom door. Don't use the
No,
bathroom.
don't close your bathroom
Yeah,
door.
shit on the grass. Don't shit in the bathroom.
There we go. Yo, shame. These memes, bro.
Now apparently he wants to. Some schools want him to teach like running. I don't know what you call it.
Aid running? I don't know.
Yeah, they want to teach children how to run. They want him to teach them. They want him to teach the children. Now I'm thinking like, bro, he's gonna have that gun, right? That like shoots up in the air that goes goof. Well, obviously there's no bullet in it, but like I
Yes.
imagine him just pointing it at the kids, right? And just like, oh man, I just wish there was a bullet in this.
That would be a terribly timed joke.
Yo, man, imagine that. All the parents going, no, no.
Ooh.
This
So what's
might be the only trade I take today. Again, I have 2 more trades to take.
I believe that it is time for some incense.
Incest.
Incense.
Oh, man, we were talking about cousins here, and then you come up with that word. Let's see if Nasdaq can maybe hold this level. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Hit TP, put. Just hit it. Ah!
On another note, check what I made. And it's big. It's big this time. I don't know if you can.
I can't see
Let
shit.
me remove my.
Your fault.
Yeah, my fucking filter, bro. Let me take this shandy off.
Okay, guys. I'm moving everything to break even right now. Everything's going to break even. You're gonna hear me put everything to break even right now.
Yo, that's a fucking nice. Nice
Sorry,
trade,
I
bro.
just moved the wrong thing to break even. Man, these positions are so close to each other. Okay, guys. So yeah, I'm at break even right now. Sorry, Rob. I'm gonna check what you have now.
No, no stress. I'm chilling, bro.
Just wanted to club that TP. It's very small position. Again, I'm in like what $14 profit. So it's not a lot. I'm just getting used to the way she moves her body.
Remove the fucking background. Dumb.
I
No.
I
Fuck.
we have kids watching.
No, kids can't allow. Kids are not allowed to trade, bro. It's for adults. It's like gambling. Okay, you know
Why is
what?
it doing that?
Let's do that. Let's do that now, and then let's quit. Okay, whatever. I don't give a flying fuck anymore. Check, bro. The shandy's big, right?
Right?
Do you want to know how many hours it took to print?
Let me guess a lot.
Yeah, obviously a lot.
To
18 hours because of the supports.
print one of those.
Yeah, because of the supports. So we're obviously going to be working on another variation. Keep the handle long, but keep this a bit shorter because this doesn't have to be that long. But yeah,
I put that.
product to sell, guys. We'll be having links in description.
Yes, guys.
Shameless plug. I am shameless and I am plugging some shit.
Hey, you go, man. You plug that shit.
Oh, I plug it all. Right, check all the supports that got printed for that. This is all support that was printed just for that cat litter scoop or the litter scoop, bro. Fucked up,
Damn.
isn't it?
So that's just wasted. Did all right.
Yeah, this is just wasted plastic. Um, on
Sorry.
another note, if anyone out there has an idea, not an idea, but anyone that can speak to me about potential hot presses, a custom made hot press. Um, yeah, I've got some plans. We can work on a commission basis. Don't worry, business ideas.
Yeah,
Yeah,
if you want to collaborate on something, just leave a comment. Uh, and obviously like and subscribe. But you can just leave a comment, and then we'll send you an email or message. And then we can try and sort something out, right? So if you want to join the Telegram group, Links in the description. Of course, we also have a Discord. We will be moving to Discord soon, but for now it's Telegram. We have a community, we have signals, and then we also have a 3D printing business. We also have e-commerce running at this point. So if you want to collab, maybe get an affiliate link of some sort, or get commission on the units you push, right? Or get sold, or gets
Yeah,
yeah, that
manage to
gets
sell.
sold. Then
You get
you
continued
are more than
get
welcome to
continued
spend some
commissions. So
profit.
if you get to a if you find a company that wants continued supply of things, you get continued commission for selling once.
Yeah.
It's a good
Okay.
deal.
Nasdaq has hit TP.
2 seconds, I'll be back.
Nasdaq has hit TP. You are welcome. uh, so guys, we might just leave that at break even and let it push towards this zone right here, right? Let's say maybe we let it run until there. Because I'm not in a lot of profit right now. Again, I'm tasting this position. Tasting this. Okay, I'm in 0.5%. No, that's enough for me. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Boom, 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 boom. There we go, boys. As easy as that. I mean, this is not rocket science. Uh, yes. Okay. Yeah. So it's all done live, just here in front of you. I mean, it has just been done, right? So, uh, yeah. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, I see it's still pushing. Like we said, we might aim for that, but I'm happy with what I made. So yeah, and this is the second day in a row I have won Nasdaq. So hopefully it continues, but we'll see what happens. So I have two trades left. Okay, again, so the reason for taking this trade was we can see clearly price is in a bullish run. If we go onto the higher time frames on the 1 hour and 4 hour, we can see prices in a massive bullish run at this point. It will highly likely reach this high right here, maybe take it out, but as we can see, it is in a bullish run, and I was hoping to catch that run here. We have resistance to the left here, and then resistance here, and then I might even take more buys to this level here. But again, so I saw this and I knew price was about at this level. I didn't mind how that 1 hour candle closed, as we did form a new high, and there was no significant resistance in that way. So I knew price could at least push towards this resistance right here, right? So this choppy resistance right there, and as it's doing right now, right? So of course, then I saw on the 5 minute that we do have the support here. We went on the 1 minute. We saw that price was a bit choppy, running up and down, and I knew price would eventually come down here because we are in a range, and then we were hoping that price breaks this uh, this range, as price is looking to be bullish, and hopefully it wouldn't break the range to the downside, but it did break the range to the upside and hit our TP, and we just took the support at the bottom of that range as entry. Basically it, right? Simple, it's efficient, but again, I don't have enough experience to actually make that statement with Nasdaq. So yeah, I'm still a bit new to it, but it's it's a very nice pair in terms of volatility. I'm getting used to price movement and market sentiment and the way it moves during news releases. We might even trade this with CPI release again. Then it will be very very low risk, because we will get very very high slippage counts, and then yeah, if price moves in one direction on Nasdaq, it will most highly likely move with a lot of volatility and force. So yeah, but for now I'm happy. I'm happy. Uh, that said, we just might get the opportunity to sell Nasdaq here. I mean, again, I'm not sure about this. It's very, very choppy. You might get the opportunity to sell. Well, I first want to see a rejection and then a bit of a pullback into that rejection. But yeah, yeah, it did TP, Robert.
Apologies for dodging.
No, it's
Uh,
fine. It's fine. I just explained to them how damn good I am at trading Nasdaq at this point. So
yeah, don't worry, I heard everything. I
no, I'm just
was on
joking.
mute.
I'm just joking.
I was on mute, but you weren't.
Oh shit.
Nah.
Okay. Um. Yeah, I mean now I'm just waiting for GBP USD come back into the zone. Euro USD to make a like a rejection. I'm definitely not gonna enter this based on the 5 minute bias. Like, that's just gonna be stupid. I'm just gonna wait for it to come deeper. I want it to come deeper than this. Okay, let's see what that gold is doing. Did you just place a trade?
No, more modifying.
Oh, modifying. Oh, this is a nice rejection right here. Damn. I'm liking this a lot. I'm liking this quite a lot. No shot I entered this in Windows, right? I mean, I'm just a guy from Cape Town trading, right? There's no shot I actually entered this and win this. Like we have resistance, support, a lot of it actually. So it'd be stupid to consider that I would win this, right? We have that 50 moving average there, but it's making a pretty nice candle on the 4 hour. It'd be stupid to assume I could win this trade. What do you guys think? Huh? What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna enter. Huh? Very small position though. Again. How much is that's gonna be 100 pips, 150 pips. Now looking at the structure right now on MT5 or MT4, I'm not sure if I should enter this. See, some 1 minute it's doing. Reject quite nicely.
Cool. Just tell Chelsea, just update Chelsea on the plans because I'm still in a meeting now. Cool, cool. No stress. Bye.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna have to head in like 6 minutes.
You gotta do some preparation.
Aye,
You gotta do some preparation.
preparation for.
You said you have to head in 6 minutes.
Yeah, class.
You get, yeah. So do you have to prepare? Because
Oh
isn't
yeah. Oh well, no, not really. It's fine.
okay? Well,
I'll make it in 20 minutes. I'll head.
no, man, no. Oh, I'm not rushing you. Not at
No, but
all.
I actually want to look at the charts for a bit longer.
We just opened London sessions.
Yeah, actually,
Little
yeah. I just want to be here for like
fresh boost of volatility, bro.
a few minutes. I don't know. This gold track's not. I haven't entered this by the way. I'm just sussing it out. Again, I told you guys I'm looking for possible sells on NAS. Just want a nice clean ejection from the zone, and we'll obviously look to it like maybe there. I was contemplating holding this, hey, and then I'm
Yeah.
like, nah, I'm not gonna let that shit hit my break even again like yesterday. So I 1.5%.
Bro, I'm below my buy limit now on Aussie New Zealand dollar. The spreads are really screwing you over because like it still hasn't tipped entry.
Now this is why I manually enter that shit. Now this guys, we are okay. So we are using an account with XM Global Limited, right? Don't open an account with XM Global Limited. Very, very, very low commissions, almost no commissions, but the spreads are ridiculous. Really, it's stupid. Like my spreads on NAS is just yeah. Listen, if you scalp, even if you swing trade, shittier spreads really. Definitely look towards moving our cash towards another broker.
Yeah, bruh.
What I like about Nasdaq is that you can risk so little but gain so much.
It's probably what everyone likes about it.
Yeah, I mean I get why people only trade Nasdaq, right? So it's a no-brainer. Like I mean, it's not even London session; it's still late Asian session, and look at that shit.
It is London session. London's just opened
Opens in
like a few
three
minutes ago.
minutes.
What are you looking at, bro? Because we're looking at two different.
Wait,
London's open.
what time does London open? I'm just gonna ask you this.
London opened a minute and a half ago, I believe, or half a minute ago.
What time does it say?
It says, I mean, market hours on my FX book. It says, yay, what the fuck? And now, 2 seconds.
It's
Yeah,
fine.
current time 8:31. So 8:31 in London is 10:31 here because they're 2 hours behind us.
Yeah, what does your clock say on your laptop?
My clock says 10:31.
Fuck, mine says 10:28.
Huh.
My phone also says 10:28.
My phone says 10:28. How is my? Huh.
Interesting.
Fascinating.
Fascinating, Squire.
How could my laptop be wrong?
Because
That doesn't.
it's iOS. That's why. Stop
Nah, can't
denying.
be. Can't be.
Stop denying.
Nah, nah, nah. Deny, deny, deny. Deny. Okay, what are we gonna do here? We're gonna fucking close this bullshit. Close this bullshit. Yeah, yeah. I know.
Here, here.
Close this and then restart it.
This might
How?
be a lekker scalp right here. Might be a lekker scalp right here. That is CHF JPY.
I don't know. It's me, Yachankak, yeah.
Boys. I might enter CHF JPY right now. Right here, right now. Gonna risk a total of I don't know how much, but it's 180 pips, something like that. We have that 30 minute. We have that 50 minute As you can clearly see, I'm not a big fan of that 30-minute simple moving average, but let's enter. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna risk like $10. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Whoa, what's clapping here? Why can't I enter? What the hell? Okay, just enter. Dude, my shit's not lekker, eh? Such funny talkies.
Yeah, same. In confusion.
Big confusion.
Big confusion. I'm actually quite keen to just see how this plays out.
What's this?
This is my levels. Oh, okay. Yeah. Now I think Aussie New Zealand dollar is gonna be heading straight for my entry. Because it's theoretically below my entry, but now I'm just like over analyzing it.
Do not
Yeah.
overanalyze. Okay, I'm moving my stop loss a bit higher. Uh, Theoretically, we want that 30-minute candle to close below this, and then the next 30-minute candle to. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, want that 30-minute candle here to close at least till this level here, or lower, doesn't matter. And then the next 30-minute candle comes up till here, and then wicks down to take TP. That's what we want. Right? Not risking a lot on this. Actually, just actually first need to set my stop before I'm telling you I'm not risking a lot. But I mean, I should be risking like $6. Yeah, 7.6. It's not a lot. Now let's risk $12. Why not? No, sorry, I'm risking 8. Good, great stuff. Okay, so this is my second trade for the day. I'm only allowed to take one more. It's fine, I can lose. I made some profit on NAS. I told you it was gonna reject this level here, boys. I told you it was gonna reject this level. But I don't really see an entry here unless that, yeah, I don't see an entry here on the 1 minute. No entry for me.
Moragaro, how are you? I'm good.
Was that the lady?
Yeah.
Dude, my spreads on CHF JPY is 41. How? How, bro?
Nah, this is ridiculous.
Yo. Yo.
It's about to fuck up the whole trading day, dude.
Yeah, I think we should start moving. As soon as we double. Yeah, as soon as you. Yeah, I think we should definitely, as soon as we double, we move. See, now it's reacting to that 50 moving average. But it's fine. Just want to move my stop loss until there. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Okay. Just a matter of waiting it out right now. Still not interested in GJ. Actually, I just might remove that from my watch list. Not interested in GPU USD at this point. Euro USD came to my level, but I wanted to go deeper and make a nice 30-minute rejection bullish candle like it did there, but it should be deeper and should be engulfing. Took what trade on Nas. Nas is still going to heaven, it seems. Like it's not stopping. Damn. Hey man, at least I got my profit from Nasdaq. At least I did that.
I don't like these spreads.
It's not like a. But you swing trade, don't you?
Mainly, I mean, it's a mix, to be honest. It's like short-term swings, or at
What?
least that's the aim.
Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. I think this is my second last trade for the day. If I see something US open, then obviously take it, and
Yeah.
then I might, yeah, and that trade's are likely gonna be on Nasdaq because
When you
yeah,
when you end the meeting, I just quickly want to say one more thing, business related.
yeah, it's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna
Cool.
end it now. It's like 1 hour and 21 minutes. Just yeah, so okay, guys.
Yeah.
That's going to be my last trade for the day. If you want to see the outcome, you can just always click the link in the description and then go to our Telegram group. I will post the trades in there. Okay. Thank you guys. And if you want to join future live sessions, I always send out the link for these live sessions in the Telegram group. Okay. Thank you very much for joining. Please like and subscribe. Until next time. Bye.
Stay Gucci peeps.